For the starting position for the bird dog, start on all fours with your hands directly underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. Engage your core to stabilize your spine. Simultaneously, you're going to extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, keeping both parallel to the floor. Hold for a moment, focusing on balance and stability. Return to the starting position by slowly bringing your arm and leg back to the starting position. Repeat on the other side, extending your left arm and your right leg. Perform for the certain amount of reps on each side. Avoid letting your lower back sag and keep your core tight. Move slow and with control to maintain a balance.